Hello everybody, my name is Shafiq Nazrin bin Muhammad Nazri from the Islamic Science University of Malaysia Actuarial Science course, and I will be talking to you about the Soa Exam P Question number 4 from set 1. Let us begin. Let me read you the question first. So the question number 4, you can pause it right here. It asks, an auto insurance company has 10,000 policyholders. Now out of these 10,000 policyholders, each is classified as young or old, male or female, married or single. Of these policyholders, 3,000 are young, 4,600 are male, 7,000 are married. They can also be classified as 1,320 young males, 3,010 married males, 1,400 young married persons, and 600 are young married males. So the question is, how many of the company's policyholders are young female and single? To rewrite the question, I created this. Now, set 1, problem 4, page 52. So we have the total number. It says it has 10,000 policyholders. Now, and then it says as young or old, we classify young as Y. So old, we'll put Y prime. Male or female, male we put as male. So for female, we put as M prime. And then married, we put as C, so we don't mix it up with male. So C for couple. So single, we'll put it as C prime. Okay. Now we have the total population of the total policyholders 10,000. Young policyholders are 3,000. 4,600 of them are male, and 7,000 of them are married. We are also given the information that 1,320 are young and male. Married and male are 3,010. Young and married are 1,400. Young and male and married are 600. So the question asks, how many of the company's policyholders are young, not male, and not married? So young, female, and single. So let us begin. So now that we have all this information above, we have to start by thinking about how do we get this intersection of young, non-male, and non-married. First of all, we know the amount of young. That's 3,000. We also so there's 3,000 young. We also know that the amount of young and male, 1,320. So to get the answer of young and not male is the same as the answer of young minus the answer of young and male. So that is 3,000 young minus young and male 1320. So we get 1680. So now we have the young and female. Now we can put this aside. Now we want to know how many are young, married, and female. So we know that the amount of, so let me just put it here, young, married, and non-male, basically, because we are searching for this because we have the number of young and married, which is 1400. We also have the number for male and married, so we can search for young, married, and female. So basically all we have to do is young and married minus young, married, and male. Yes, so it's basically 1400 here minus 600 over here. So because out of the young and married, we know how many of them are males, we can now know how many of them are females, and the answer is 800. So we get 800. So we know that young, married, and female is equals to 800. Now we have this information. We know now young, married, and female, non-male is 800. We can now, we also know the amount of young and female is 1680. We can now use that information to calculate this. Young, female or non-male, and also not married, unmarried, or single. How can we calculate this? So we know the amount of young, female, and single. We can calculate this by finding out the number of young and female, minusing, subtracting the number of young, female, and married. Now the young, female, and married is the answer above we got here. The young and female is the answer here. So basically it's 1680 minus 800 equals to 880, and this is the final answer. So a quick review of what happened. This is all the given information. We're searching for this. We look for the young and female first. We have the information of the young and males. Got it. Now we calculate the young, married, and female, where you have the information of the young and married and the young, married, and males. Now just use that to get young, female, and single. So we use the amount of the young and female minus the young, female, and married. Then you get the young, female, and single, 880.